Hello friends, let us solve this logarithmic function. So the question says log x base 3 plus log 9 base x is equal to 3. So in this case, what you're going to do, just this one is log x base 3 and this one is log 9 base x. So what you're going to do, you have to change this by using change in base formula. So just if it is log a base b, could write this one as log 1 over log b base a. Just you flip this one, so it's you could write just like this one. So then we'll get the same base. That means log x base 3 plus log this one you could first write like 9 3 square, right? Just like this is equal to 3 first. Then it will be just log x base 3 plus. You can move this one to the front based on logarithmic relation. Just this one means if log b base a n, you could write just this one is equal to n times log b base a. So just like that, to log 3 base x is equal to 3. So now you have to use this relation to change this one. So it will be log x base 3 plus 2 times, right, 1 over log x base 3. So we flip the logarithmic function by taking the this relation, then is equal to 3. Then after that, let us go for some other relation. Let log x base 3 is equal to t. So here you have to substitute t plus, right, 2 over t is equal to 3. Then what you will find here, t square plus 2 over t is equal to 3. So t squared plus 2 is equal to 3t. Then t squared minus 3t plus 2 is equal to 0. Then you have to find numbers based on this quadratic equation. You have to find numbers when you multiply them. Those will give you 2. When you add them, those numbers will give you minus 3. So that means t minus 2 and t minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1, it will be positive 1. Minus 1 minus t plus minus 2t, it will be minus 3t. T times t squared. So t will be 2 and t will be 1. Two solutions are there. Next, you have to substitute with this relation. So that means log x base 3 is equal to t. So log x base 3 is equal to the first t, it is 2. So that means x is equal to 3 square, x is equal to 9. This is the first solution. The second one, log x base 3 is equal to this, the second t, which is 1. So x will be 3 to the power of 1. X will be 3. So based on the domain, just x must be greater than 0. X must be greater than 0. So both these values x9, both the values, this values x is equal to 9, x is equal to 3, both of them are greater than 0, so you have to take all these values as solution set for this logarithmic function.